Frankie V. I'm about to get into kind of an appetizer for my real meal. Salad, cookie on the side, drink. I'm drinking light. You know, I have my champagne, so I want to drink something right now. I'm listening to Japanese pop on Delta. You know, is this sleep? You already know. Every time you travel, you want to do it like that. But I'm listening to this music right now. This is some good vibes. I can't wait to get to Japan and get my music to the people that want to hear it. So get at your boy. I like this girl that I'm listening to. She might be on the volume 5, so you never know. You already know what it is. The tour's going down, 11th to the 18th. Frankie V, I'm in the building. I want to see you up front. I'm gonna holler at you when I'm back in the States. That's what's hot right now.